The 2026 Mazda CX-30 is here, and it's not just another update. It's a complete redefinition of Mazda's futuristic design language. From the illuminated digital branding to the razor-sharp LED light bars and that bold coupe SUV stance, this might be Mazda's most stylish compact crossover yet. Stick around, because we're going to break down the front, side, rear, interior, and even what's hiding under the hood. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. We've got a ton of next-gen reviews coming your way, and you definitely don't want to miss them. Looking at the front, the CX-30 grabs your attention instantly with its clean yet aggressive presence. Mazda has dropped the traditional winged emblem and replaced it with illuminated Mazda script in the center of the grille. It's bold, futuristic, and a clear signal that the brand has entered the digital identity era. The grille itself is wide and gloss black with sculpted horizontal slats, giving it real depth. The headlights are ultra-thin LEDs, razor-sharp and cybernetic, stretching seamlessly into a continuous light bar. The hood flows with long, precise character lines that make the CX-30 look muscular, while the sporty bumper adds aerodynamic aggression. From the side, the design only gets better. The proportions are stunning, with a long hood, short overhangs, and a coupe-style roofline that flows smoothly into muscular rear quarters. The shoulder line is subtle yet powerful, catching the sunlight perfectly on the soul red crystal metallic finish, a color Mazda has perfected over the years. The large, multi-spoke alloy wheels give the car a planted, athletic stance, while the gloss black cladding along the sides and wheel arches adds just the right amount of contrast without breaking the premium look. Even at a standstill, the CX-30 looks like it's ready to leap forward.
Moving to the rear, Mazda's new design language really shines. Once again, the badge is gone, replaced with bold, illuminated Mazda lettering across the tailgate. A razor-thin LED light bar stretches across the entire width, connecting the taillights into one continuous futuristic signature. The bumper is muscular, finished with gloss black accents and a diffuser-style lower section, giving the CX-30 a sporty yet minimalist presence. Honestly, the rear angle might be its most striking view. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that balances simplicity with sophistication. The driver's cockpit is clean and modern, with a fully digital instrument cluster and a wide central display carrying the Mazda script. The steering wheel is sporty, wrapped in leather with multifunction controls, while red stitching runs across the dashboard, seats, and center console, adding a subtle layer of sportiness to the premium black interior. The center console is elegant but functional, with rotary dials and tactile buttons that give you a perfect mix of modern technology and classic ergonomics. Everything feels precise, driver-focused, and premium, showing Mazda's intent to push closer to luxury territory. Under the hood, Mazda hasn't released the full details yet, but expectations are high. The 2026 CX-30 is likely to carry the latest version of the Skyactiv G 2.5-liter engine, paired with mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid options, delivering somewhere in the 200 to 250 horsepower range. There are even whispers of a rotary range extender for an upcoming EV variant, which would truly set it apart from competitors. What we can expect for sure is Mazda's signature driving feel, sharp handling, direct steering, and that harmony between car and driver they like to call Jinba Itai. The 2026 Mazda CX-30 isn't just a redesign, it's a statement. Sleek, futuristic, and bold, with illuminated branding and a presence that looks like it belongs in the next decade. Whether it's the striking exterior, the luxury-leaning interior, or the driving dynamics, this CX-30 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting compact SUVs in its class. But here's the question, does this new illuminated Mazda identity put it ahead of rivals like the Toyota Corolla Cross, Honda HR-V, or even premium challengers like the Lexus UX? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more futuristic car reviews coming soon.